Hello everyone, this is the Infiweb Solutions team. In this video, we'll walk you through an AI-powered mock interview system we have built for management consulting interviews, specifically designed to simulate real Bain, McKinsey, and BCG-style case interviews. We'll show you how the AI interviewers works, how it uses our knowledge base in real time, and how the entire system is orchestrated using modern tools like VAPI, n8n, OpenAI, Pinecone, and Google Drive. This is our AI agent called Case Coach. Its role is very specific. It acts as a senior management consulting interviewer. It conducts a realistic mock case interview, asking structured questions, probing the candidate's thinking, and guiding them through a full consulting case. Now, what makes this system powerful is that the AI does not rely on memory or assumptions. Every time it needs factual information like company background, role details, or the case scenario, it calls an external knowledge base using a custom tool, which is connected to n8n. This knowledge base contains structured content such as Bain and Company role details, interview expectations, a complete fashion co case scenario with numbers and guidance. The AI fetches this information in real time and uses it to drive the interview accurately. Behind the scenes, n8n manages knowledge base. Here, in our workflow, the content is chunked, embedded using OpenAI embeddings, and stored in Pinecone as vectors. This ensures the knowledge base is always fresh and searchable. When VAPI calls the custom tool, a webhook triggers n8n. n8n performs a semantic search in Pinecone, retrieves the most relevant content, and send it back to the AI agent. This allows the interviewer to respond instantly with accurate, context aware information. Okay, let's quickly see how the interview experience looks from a candidate perspective. Let's start the demo.
Hi there, I'm Case Coach, your interview assistant for Bain & Co. Let's start with a brief introduction. Tell me about yourself and why you're interested in consulting.
Hello, my name is Sarika. I am an engineer transitioning into consulting because I enjoy structured problem solving and working on business impact across industries.
Great, Erica. Let's move on to the case setup. I'll provide you with a prompt for a mock case. Feel free to ask any clarifying questions after I present it. Let's begin with the prompt. A large retail chain is experiencing declining sales and profits over the past 2 years. They have approached us to identify the key issues and recommend strategies to improve their performance. Do you have any clarifying questions?
Okay, before we dive in, could you briefly tell me which role you are hiring for right now?
Thank you for your patience, Erica. The role we're discussing is for an associate consultant at Bain & Company. As an associate consultant, you would be developing and applying analytical, interpersonal, and leadership skills right from the start. You will be working on client projects across various industries, performing research, gathering and analyzing data, interviewing clients and stakeholders, and presenting findings to your case teams. Now, regarding the case we have before us about the large retail chain experiencing declining sales and profits over the past 2 years, do you have any clarifying questions about this situation?
Oh, yes. I would start by analyzing market trend, customer behavior, and internal company factors to understand what's driving the revenue decline.
Approach. Can you outline the specific structure you would use to analyze these areas? What key components would you consider within market trends, customer behavior, and internal factors?
All right, we'll conclude the mock interview here. And one key thing to highlight is in these VAPI logs, which you are seeing on the screen, you can see here the assistant explicitly calling the knowledge base tool during the conversation. And this shows that assistant is not hallucinating. It retrieves company, role, and case information from a verified knowledge base. This entire flow is orchestrated using n8n with OpenAI embeddings and Pinecone for semantic search, and results return to WebP in real time. Okay. On the screen, you can see the full call transcript and detailed call logs generated by WebP here in the call logs. You can see all the calls you have made so far. Like this is the one which is recently done. You can see all the logs and the transcript of the recent call we did. We can get the recording here apart from logs. Another important thing is the structured output and the analysis here. So here, this is the summary of the call that concluded. And here is the important thing: is the data, is the output of the interview. We have configured a structured success evaluation where the candidate is scored on the parameters like problem structuring and communication clarity, with both numeric scores and quantitative insights. And this can be done through the assistant configuration here. From here, you can set up all the configuration, what kind of output you need for the analysis of call. Now that you have seen the system in action, which shows how we have built an end-to-end AI interview system using VAPI and n8n, combining voice AI, knowledge retrieval, automation, and structured evaluation into one seamless experience. The assistant conducts a natural mock interview, while all factual information is retrieved from a verified knowledge base using semantic search with OpenAI embeddings and Pinecone. And it then manages the entire workflow in real time, and VAPI handles voice, transcription, evaluation, and call control. Thank you.